5-minute magic. Maximum benefits in minimum time. Walk about briskly and find your spot. Feet shoulder width apart. Relax the knees and sink. Bottom part of the body heavy. Float the head and lengthen the spine. Top light. Tuck the chin if it juts out. Close your eyes if you feel safe so that we can shift state as much as we can. Relax from head to toe. Start at the top of the head, softening muscles, releasing tension. Soften the forehead, release tension in all the muscles of the face. Let the jaw drop open gently. Relax all the muscles on the back of the head, the neck, the shoulders, the chest, the stomach, all the muscles of the back. Let go of tension in the hips, the glutes, the thighs, shins, and calves. Inhale at the top of the head and exhale, feeling the soles of the feet. Smile from the heart. Inhale through the nose, allowing the arms to float up overhead. Exhale through the mouth as the hands float down. Inhale. Exhale down with a ha sound. Breathing in, gathering energy from above. Breathing out, moving the energy through the body. Inhale. Exhale down. Relax more and more with each exhale. The movement's becoming looser. The whole body relaxing more and more. Then on this next repetition, just let the arms drop down and let all of your tension throughout all your body go. Find any tension and just release it. Let the body drift, sway like a willow in the wind. Let go and let your energy flow. Seek out tense areas of the body and release the tension. Soften the knees, the hips, the stomach, the back, the jaw. Release tension, and as you release the tension, your body will sweat. Go with the flow. Allow your body to move. Flowing breeze, swaying willow. And then come back to center, placing your attention at your lower dantian. And sink. Relax. Let the energy settle. Enjoy the stillness of this standing meditation, seeking quality over quantity. And when you're ready to come out, briskly rub your hands together. Generate heat in the palms. Place your hands over your eyes and slowly blink open your eyes. And then rub your face like you're dry washing your face. And then rub your ears, increasing circulation to every part of your ear. Repeat this as many times as you need throughout the day. Thank you for joining me.